Alcoholing to the rescue. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. I have already taken a 30 thick from Makerflow and I sanded it, washed it, spray painted it flat white, and then I put a layer of resin on it. And into that resin I mixed just a little bit of Super Sparkle White Diamonds mica powder. We now have a very pretty sparkly cup. And onto this pretty sparkly cup I am going to wrap a piece of A4 size printed rice paper that I got from Joggles. I saw this and I thought, oh, that's a perfect scene for summertime, and sure feels like summer outside today, so we're gonna go with that. And I'm gonna start by trimming the borders off. Now, in the past, I've gotten a little carried away in my trimming and over trimmed, and I'd like to try to avoid that this time. So, what to keep? Do I keep this part or do I keep this part? I think I'm going to keep this part and trim this bit. A little more than ½ inch, so I'll trim ½ inch. And we'll hope that I'm not reading my ruler wrong. It's not bad. Okay, so next thing I need to do is put all this aside and get out the Mod Podge. Woohoo! I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna start painting on layers of Mod Podge. So now we'll put a layer of Mod Podge over the top and then I'll let the whole thing dry, and I will keep adding layers of Mod Podge until I think it's protected enough that I can do a layer of resin. First coat is on. I am going to let this dry thoroughly and then I'll put on probably 2 more coats, and then it'll be time to put a layer of resin over the whole thing, and I'll bring you back for that. So stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, we have our rice paper wrap all the way around our tumbler. I have dabbed a little bit of, this is turquoise marabou alcohol ink, this one right here, turquoise. And the reason I did that is during the resining process, either the initial layer or this one that I put over top, somehow some pink got in here just on the bottom, not anywhere else. This is to cover that up, basically. Alcoholing to the rescue. So now I'm going to take some, this is the hollow nail striping tape I've been using. These rice paper wraps are extremely simple. It's very similar to a full vinyl wrap or a full water slide wrap. Now, do I want to put anything here? And honestly, I really don't. I thought about it, but I really don't. I like this just the way it is. Okay, we don't have a lot of sunshine today, so instead of tacking the 2 pinstripes down with UV resin, which I might do in other situations, I will use the Counterculture DIY Quick Coat urethane sealer. That will dry pretty quickly, and then I'll put a final layer of resin on it. I will absolutely put some Mr. Knowles Glitter's 504 glitter into the final layer of resin, and then we'll go out and see this baby in the sunshine. Stay tuned.